There's somebody sound down to the earth to read on the wind, born on the wind, and it sleeps on the wind. There's a little bag that somebody sent. He's a rod and fragile and feather of sky, so thin and graceful, sunshine too, or on the wind, and it sleeps on the wind. There's a little bag that somebody sent. He flies so high to be in the sky, out of the reach of human eye. And the only time that's touches the ground is when that little bug, is when that little bug, is when that little bug dies. Flies so high to be in the sky, out of the reach of human eye. And the only time that touches the ground is when that little bud, is when that little bud, is when that little bud dies.